welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a 2022 Audi Q5. Customer bought it brand new from the dealer, only got 300 miles on the cluster. Customer wants custom green painted calipers. We're gonna transform the look of his car. We're gonna paint the calipers a Lamborghini metallic green. So I'm excited for this. Let's not waste any time and get to it. I mixed up my paint. I sprayed the undercoat on the calipers. They're dry, so I'm gonna put a couple coats of this and see what it looks like. Calipers are painted, they're dry. Now the most important part is the Audi rings in black. You're gonna center it right in the middle and then shoot some clear coat over it. Alright, so our Audi Q5 is finished. The green calipers turned out awesome. It looks super nice on a Daytona gray Audi. Let's take a look. Happy with how it turned out. The green calipers with the silver and gold metallics just pop in the sun. I don't know if the camera catches that, but they look absolutely insane in person. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. This is going to be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one.